Hello, my students. How are you? Grade 6. Today we'll explain from Moasser Book, Final Revision. Solve first model from القاهرة, Cairo government. Okay. First question here. Choose the correct answer. The number of integers between -2 and 2. You can find the answer and count it. We have -1, 0, 1. We have three numbers lies between -2 and 2. Right with me? -1, 0, and 1 lies between -2 and 2. We have three digits or three numbers. Okay, the number of integers, we can count it. We have three numbers. Next question number 2 is the equation y equals 3x plus 6.4. If x equal 1, we can find the value of y. Put x here equal 1. 1 here, it's independent, x independent, and y dependent. 3 times 1 equals 3, plus 6.4 equal 9.4. The result will be 9.4. Choose letter D. Next question. The outlier following data, we have 3. The long distance between 3 and all digits. Since 3, we call this the outlier value. Look at here, 91, 94, they are nearest. But this number has a long distance. The constant in the expression here will be what? We have 5. 5, we call this the constant. And the constant will be 5. We call this the constant. Next question. In the equation y equal to x, if we input 5 here, put x equal 5, then y equal 2 times 5 equal 10. The output will be 10. Next question. Number 6. Look at with me number 6. In the equation, the value of the expression here when x equal to, put x equal to here, will be 5 times 2 power 2 plus 5. 5 subtracted by 2 power 2 is 4 plus 5. 5 times 4 equal 20. 20 plus 5 equal 25. And the answer will be 25, letter B. In the opposite bullet, the balance point will be 4. 4 lies in the middle here. We call this balance point. Okay. The number what is divisible by 4 and 6? Who can tell me here? We must choose number can divide it by 2 and 3, because if the number can divide it by 2 and 3 in the same step, this number can divide it by 6. And also, if we have one sentence can divide it by 4, this number can divide it by 4. So I want to find the number even to divide it by 2, and also the sum of all digits can divide it by 3, like the number what can divide it. Who can tell me here like this? 7 plus 5 equal 12. But 50 can be divided by 4. And what about 132? 2 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, it can be divided by 3 also. And what about this number? Yes, you must choose this number. It's even, can divide it by 2 because we have 0 in the ones, and also divided by 4 because we have 20 here. 20 can divide it by 4. And 2 plus 2 plus 0. Oh, but this number 2 plus 2, 4. 4 can't be divided by 3. So we can't choose this. This number can divide it by 0, can divide it by 2, and also can divide it by 3. But 50 can't divide it by 4. Next number can divide it by 2. Yes, can divide it by 4. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 can divide it by 3. Then we must choose 132. And 9 plus 3 equal 12, but this number can't divide it by 2. Okay, then the answer will be 132. Okay, can divide it by 4 and 6. The mode of the values here, what's the number, the most repeating here? We have 5. Repeating 3 times. Okay, then the mode here will be 5. Next question, number 2. Answer the following question. Write the verb or phrase from the equation x equal 4 plus y. We can write the verbal phrase here. X equal 4, 8 to y. Okay, it's a verbal phrase here. Okay, write the word form about this equation. Okay, we call it the verbal phrase. X is equal to 4 add to y. Okay, this is the verbal. Understood? Next question here. Order the following. You want to find from least to greatest, the smallest number here. We know -1, absolute value of -1 is 1. Then the order here, he want to find from least to greatest. The least number here will be -12. And next will be 0. And we have next 1 over 2 or 1 over 4 first. And then we have this number 1. We can write here 0 and negative half and fourth. Next number will be 1 and 2 power 2 equal 4. The last one will be 4. We arrange here from least to greatest. Next question. Write an equation, use variable x and y, where x is independent variable. Raise the equation h3 when x equal half. Okay, we can raise this equation here, y equal x plus 3. Okay, you want to find the equation here. Okay, my friends, you can raise the equation y equal x plus 3 because y here is dependent and x independent. Okay, y equal x plus 3 is the equation because he asked about h3. At x equal half, then the value of y equal, rate x plus 3 half plus 3. It will be 3 and half. Okay. Next question. Draw the box plot here. What is data? First, I will arrange all data. Right, 5, 6, and then 9, 13, and 14. Look at here, 9 lies in the middle. Then 9, we called it quartile. We have the median, sorry. Q here, Q is the, we called it the median. Do you remember the median? Q is the median. And we can find here the number lies between 5 and 6. 5 plus 6 equal 11 divided by 2. It will be quartile number 1. It will be 5.5. And from here, we can find the number lies between 13 plus 14. 13 plus 14 equal divided by 2. 13 plus 14 equal 27 divided by 2. It will be 13.5. Okay, 13.5. It's a quartile number 3. Then we must start from 5 here. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next step, I will write here the smallest here 5 and the maximum and the minimum. Okay, minimum 5 and the maximum 14. And quartile 1, it will be 5.5 between 5 and 6, 5.5 here. Okay, like this. And 13.5 here between 13 and 14. And then draw the box like this. Box plot here. Next, we can find the quartile here. Q here, reverse to the median will be Q here. Then Q, we called it the median. Understood? Next question here. Use Venn diagram here to find this multiplication and the guess factor between two numbers. We know 12 equal 2 times 2 times 3, and 15 equal 3 times 5. Then 3 here will be the guess factor between two numbers here, right? 3 in this place. And we write the first number was 12 and second was 15. 15 equals 3 times 5 and 3 times 2 times 2 equals 12. Okay. Then the greatest common factor between two numbers, we can write 3. The greatest common factor here equals 3. And the least common multiples between them, we can product 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Okay. Product all together 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 5, 15. 4 times 15 equals 60. Next question down. The mean of the following. We can find arithmetic mean by add all values and divide the number of value. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values. 4 plus 20 plus 6 plus 10. 4 plus 10, 20, 4, 24 plus 6, 30. 30 plus 10 equal 40. 40 divided by 4 equal 10. Then the arithmetic mean x equal 10. Next here, put x equals 0, 0 plus 1 equal 1, 2 plus 1 equal 3, 4 plus 1 equal 5. In the first order, 0 and 1, and second, 2 and 3, and the third, 4 and 5. Start from 0 to 1 here, put the point. Start from 0 and go up to 1. And next order, 2 and 3. Start from 2 and going up 3 steps, and here 4 and 5. going from 4 to 5 here, and then 0 this array. Okay, my students, we finished now all questions. Okay, understood?